Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel ANZ Machinery. The process of creating Holland & Holland's world-renowned shotguns and rifles is a testament to unparalleled artistry, engineering, and craftsmanship. These firearms are celebrated for their exquisite balance, seamless functionality, and the unique way they connect with their owners, making them masterpieces of both form and purpose. The foundation of every exceptional firearm is the quality of its materials. Holland & Holland uses only the finest steel for the barrels and premium-grade walnut for the stocks. The walnut, sourced from select regions, is chosen for its strength, grain pattern, and aesthetic appeal. These raw materials are carefully inspected and prepared, ensuring they meet the high standards required for a gun that could last generations. The barrel is the heart of the gun, and its crafting requires precision of the highest order. Expert barrel makers shape and rifle the steel tubes, ensuring they deliver exceptional accuracy and performance. The process involves forging, boring, and honing to create a barrel that meets exacting specifications. Each barrel is rigorously tested to ensure it aligns with Holland & Holland's commitment to safety and performance. The gun stock, carved from premium walnut, serves as the bridge between the firearm and its user. Master stockers shape and fit the wood to perfection, creating a piece that feels like an extension of the shooter's body. The stock is hand-finished, its curves and contours tailored to provide optimal balance and comfort. Attention is given to every detail, from the checkering for grip to the oil finish that enhances the natural beauty of the wood. Holland & Holland's story dates back to 1835, with a legacy built on a commitment to innovation and mastery. The process begins with a vision, a design that embodies simplicity, elegance, and effectiveness. The gunmaker's curiosity fuels this journey, continuously seeking ways to refine and elevate traditional methods. The assembly stage is where the various components come together to form a functional masterpiece. Each part is meticulously hand-fitted to ensure seamless integration. This stage demands exceptional skill, as even the slightest imperfection can impact the firearm's performance. The action, often referred to as the engine of the gun, is assembled with painstaking care. Craftsmen ensure the moving parts operate smoothly, allowing for flawless loading, firing, and ejection. Once assembled, the gun is tested extensively to guarantee reliability and precision. Holland & Holland guns are as much works of art as they are tools of precision. The engraving process transforms each firearm into a unique masterpiece. Skilled engravers adorn the metal surfaces with intricate patterns, often inspired by nature. This step, performed entirely by hand, reflects the craftsman's artistic vision and elevates the gun to a level of unmatched beauty. The final stages of the process involve polishing the metalwork and applying a lustrous finish to the stock. The completed gun undergoes rigorous inspection, ensuring every detail meets Holland & Holland's exacting standards. This attention to quality ensures that each firearm is not only functional, but also a lasting testament to the gunmaker's craft. To truly appreciate a Holland & Holland gun, you need to hold it in your hands. The balance is impeccable, the design is a marvel of simplicity, and the handling feels almost intuitive. These firearms are not merely tools, they are the culmination of nearly 2 centuries of innovation, artistry, and dedication to perfection. Holland & Holland guns embody a harmony between tradition and modernity, art and science. They represent the passion and curiosity of craftsmen who strive to push the boundaries of what is possible. Each gun tells a story of skill, heritage, and the relentless pursuit of excellence, making them timeless treasures for generations to come. Modern ammunition manufacturing process. Leveraging top-class technology, the production of modern ammunition combines precision engineering and advanced technology to ensure reliability, safety, and performance. Below is an overview of the sophisticated steps involved. The process begins with creating metal cups from brass or steel sheets. These cups form the foundation of cartridge cases and are pressed with exacting accuracy to ensure uniformity. The cups are drawn into cartridge cases through a series of deep drawing operations. This involves stretching and shaping the metal to meet precise specifications while maintaining structural integrity. To maintain consistency, each cartridge is meticulously weighed. Any deviations are flagged for quality assurance. This ensures uniform performance, critical for both safety and accuracy. This step involves integrating the case, primer, propellant, and bullet. Advanced machinery precisely places each component to ensure flawless operation. Every cartridge undergoes rigorous testing to guarantee reliability under various conditions. Designed for high-velocity, long-range shooting, rifle rounds are crafted with precision to meet the needs of hunters, competitive shooters, and military personnel. Compact and versatile, handgun cartridges are engineered for self-defense, law enforcement, and recreational shooting. Specially manufactured to meet strict standards, these rounds are tailored for high performance, durability, and compatibility with service weapons. Used for hunting and sports, shotgun shells are available in various sizes and payload types to suit different applications. By using state-of-the-art technology and adhering to stringent quality controls, modern ammunition manufacturers deliver products that combine innovation with precision, meeting the demands of civilian, military, and law enforcement users worldwide. Eastern Black Sea gun manufacturer, Trabzon Gun Industry, TSOS, operates on an 11,800 square meter site in Trabzon's Arsin Organized Industrial Zone. With 150 skilled employees, TSOS leverages advanced R&D, advanced design software, and CNC technology to deliver high-quality products to the defense industry. Notably, it is the only private company in Turkey capable of producing gun barrels using cold forging. TSOS's fully integrated facility includes chrome plating, painting, and heat treatment capabilities, allowing independent pistol production. Utilizing 2 specialized heat treatment furnaces, the company manufactures firearms from both standard steel and stainless steel. The production process spans from design, where concepts are transformed into 3D models, to manufacturing, where raw materials are precision machined and rigorously tested at every stage to ensure quality. Each pistol undergoes visual inspections, functionality checks, and extensive performance testing, including firing trials, extreme temperature resilience, -33 degrees Celsius to +55 degrees Celsius, underwater operations, and durability in sludge. Inclined firing tests and evaluations of speed, accuracy, and safety systems guarantee consistent excellence. TSOS stands out with its original, in-house pistol designs. From its initial 7.65mm F-13 model, the company now produces over 60 models in calibers ranging from 6.35mm to 7.62x25mm, led by the renowned Zana series. With an annual capacity of 50,000 units, TSOS serves domestic clients like the Turkish Armed Forces and exports to over 30 countries, including the United States. By combining innovation, stringent quality control, and global reach, TSOS has established itself as a robust and trusted name in firearms manufacturing.